Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be carrying you guys along for about 2 days, and hopefully you are going to enjoy watching my simple mom life. So today I'm starting out in the kitchen with making dough for chapatis. I'm going to work tonight, so I'm prepping my dinner early, and then I'm going to clean up the kitchen, and then I have laundry that I need to put away. Then we will come back to the kitchen and make the chapatis. If this is the first time that you're watching me, or if you're a returning subscriber, karibu sana. My name is Shiro, and on this channel I just do mom life vlogs and document our everyday, normal, kawaida, simple life as a family of 6 living in the diaspora and just navigating through the complexities of life in a positive way. So welcome to the channel, and hope you're going to consider remaining and staying and also joining the family by subscribing. And don't forget to leave us a comment and give the video a thumbs up. Cleaning this cooker has been the real ghetto for me, but I went to Amazon and bought these drip plates. Then I got these Wayman's degreaser for the stove and the oven. It works the magic, and all I do is just spray it around the cooker and the places that I want it to degrease, and then I leave it for some time. So while it is doing its thing, I am going to clean up the dishes. Then I will go back and finish cleaning up the cooker.
This love ain't yours for the taking, and baby, this heart can't tell what's right or wrong. I know that no love ain't real if something's broken, but I know that we both gotta know it's time to let go. In the end, it's only down to us. There's no love nor lust, and I hate that I admit we're at the breaking point. At the breaking point, time to break it. Don't need no violent scars. It's not a false alarm. Before it's breaking us, let's face the breaking point. The breaking point. Face the breaking point. Just get it done. Face the breaking point. This love won't be what it has been, but baby, our love was good before we lost the little loving that we had in the beginning. And baby, now we know we gotta let go. Don't need to hold on, cause relationship is built on trust, on pure love and love. And I hate that I admit we're at the breaking point. At the breaking point, time to break it. Don't need no violent scars. It's not a false alarm. Before it's breaking us, let's face the breaking point. The breaking point. Face the breaking point. Just get it done. Face the breaking point. It doesn't matter how we do it, but the truth is so face the breaking point. And I don't care if I go down with it the way I see it, there's no point. Cause in the end it's only down to us. There's no love nor love, and I don't wanna admit we're at the breaking point. Don't need no violent scars. It's not a false alarm. Before it's breaking us, let's face the breaking point. The breaking point.
Alright, the cooker plates are the last thing that I have to clean. I think they're called drip plates, not cooker plates. And I got them from Amazon, as I had said. The cooker came with silver ones, but then once they started discoloring and looking like they've burnt, and then it just has like these black things remaining on them, it was just looking weird, and I just could not stand it. So when I found the black ones, which you can't really tell when they burn because it's black and the burning look is black, so it doesn't show it as much. And also when you clean them, they actually look clean. So all I am using is just a scoring pad, and then for the food that is really stuck on, I use steel wool. But then of course I'm not using a lot of strength, I'm just scrubbing over and over and over again. And then I use a microfiber cloth to just wipe down the cooker. Once I am done wiping it down, I will just dry the plates and then I will fix back the coils. After fixing, you always have to check that the cooker is working, because sometimes if you remove and refix incorrectly, it doesn't work. So you have to make sure that you've plugged them in back correctly. So this is how the cooker turned out after cleaning, back to shining until the next mess. So right now I am back in the bedroom. I have a few clothes that I want to put away. Then once I am done with this, we will go back to the kitchen and finish with the chapatis.
We're talking to each other, I know we feel the same about the situation, like we're stuck inside a game. Time to get out of this circle, yeah, we both carry a scar. Let's rewrite the part we're playing, time to cherish who we are.
That was my short time of spending time with God this morning. I always make time to praise, worship, do whatever, just listen to music, and yeah, it's just a way of praising and communicating with God. So I'm done folding clothes. I had a backlog of laundry because I had been unwell. So now I am catching up with my laundry. It is back to the groove. So I need to go back to the kitchen and finish making chapos. I straightened up once I was done with the kitchen, I came and freshened up, and then now I was catching up with laundry. So I still have, I think, like 2 more loads going. So I'll just work on them as I go. For now, I'm going to put away these clothes. The ones remaining are the kids' clothes. They got mixed up. So I'm just doing both ours and the kids. So I'll put these away and then we will go to the kitchen and finish making chapatis.
One step forward and another back, I would never try to fool ya. I'm one heartbeat away from going mad. Girl, when you're looking like that, closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Girl, I need you another chance. Loving you is all I wanted. I'm wide open for a love affair. Girl, when you're looking like that, closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Damn, girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on your bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it.
Hi guys, it is the end of the day. I am heading to work. It is almost 6 p.m. Having my coffee because I didn't sleep during the day. After I finished making chapos, it was time to go and pick the kids. And the hubby went and picked them, but then for some reason, I just could not find sleep. I think it's because I've not worked for some time, so my head is still is still thinking I can sleep at night, but I can't sleep at night. So yeah, I'm off to work, so I am going to end this Monday here because there's nothing else to show or anything else to do. And then I guess we will catch you up. We will catch up with you guys tomorrow in the morning. I've had a pretty good day. As I said, it was a very beautiful day. The sun is out and it is bright and nice and warm. I am all covered up because, of course, going for night shift is going to be cold. So we'll catch you up, guys, tomorrow.
Whispering soft, alluring signs, wrapping you around my finger, gently touch, full of spell, blinding you into another, sneaking around, hunt and prey to find me another lover. Behind closed doors, an empty space, we're in a secret love encounter. I'm a lonely heart feline. I take what's mine, then I leave behind. I'm a lonely heart feline. I take what's mine, then I leave behind.
Welcome to Tuesday. I am out and about. I was supposed to go to work, but then
with every breath I long to follow Jesus, for he has said that he will bring me home, and day by day I know he will renew me until I stand with joy before the throne. When the race is complete, still my lips shall repeat, yet not I, but through Christ in me. To this I hold, my hope is only Jesus, for the glory evermore to him. When the race is complete, still my lips shall repeat, yet not I, but through Christ in me. Yet not I, but through Christ in me.
Hi guys, welcome to Tuesday. Tuesday in my life. People are there acting serious. We had birthdays. Birthday girl and another birthday girl. So this is Tuesday. I have not done what I am supposed to do today because I am still recovering from night shifting. Yeah, nimefanya one day because hey, yani, yeah, that's spoiled. that spoils the whole thing. I am looking for my charger.
Please help me with my mouse.
Hey, my wife.
I was
You have many hands.
It's my wife I was asking to drink for me. Special delivery. You wanna be in my Instagram car?
What did you do? What did you do? I need to find my charger. Zara, go and bring me my charger in the bedroom.
I'm just running past my room.
I'm just running past your rooms. Bring me my charger.
Cooking so good,
Pro cook. We have a pro cook over here. What are you making?
Chips.
Chips or crisps?
Crisps.
You read instructions on how to make crisps
You know, I remember one time you made them like 7 years ago.
7 years ago.
I'm working on memory.
Crisps, but hizo zitatoka kama chipo.
If I cut them thin enough.
What do you have in there?
Oh, there's that one. Quiz. Let's do cereal.
Okay. It's not gravo, it's bravo. It's not gravo. Not brr. It's b. B for boy. Bravo.
They're coming out a bit too early because of how much water they
Yeah, see, yeah, I've told you.
The only reason we know specialness of these.
Because zitatoka tu kama bajia. Well, it's fine. So, what do I want to do? Babe, what do you feel like eating? I make for you wings. I make for you chicken wings. That is my specialty. That's the only thing I know. If I start making, it will not backfire. So,
It's also cut thin enough.
Ni watu hawakumaliza chapo. Amkulangi chapo mingi siku hizi. Where is the other pack? I thought I had 2 packs of chicken wings. Iko wapi? Okay, so we are going to make chicken wings. This one is making fries, crisps, chips, imbo. Zinatoka kama badzia.
Well, that's fine.
You can remove them. I think crisps need more time and work because you need to like put water and then soak them and then dry them. Like it's just so,
Because they have
so many steps. That's why it's in a fura.
Yeah, because the thinner ones are becoming much better than
So let's get serious and make dinner. So when making chicken wings, I try and do something very, very simple. All I do is use onions, ginger and garlic paste, some tomatoes, and then honey barbecue sauce and maybe a bit of honey and of course salt. So all I'm going to do is once I put the chicken in the pot, I'm just going to cover it and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes so that it doesn't overcook and then get off from the bones, if that makes sense. But 10 to 15 minutes is usually pretty much enough for the chicken wings to cook. And then I'm just going to drizzle the honey barbecue sauce and that will be it. That's the dinner. So we are going to have this with rice. Tonight I was to go to work, but then we were going for a music concert at the kids' school. Then last minute we just had a lot of drama and we decided to come back home. Kids can really humble you. So I guess I am thankful that I get to be home tonight and I get to be with the family and make them a home cooked meal. So thank you so much for spending time with me. Remember to keep positive and be kind to yourself. Until next time, Baraka Tele.
Give me some time to get stronger. I'll be okay, just give me a little bit longer. Yeah, we're gonna win the struggle.